Eugene Kaspersky, CEO of Kaspersky Company. Eugene Kaspersky is the CEO of Kaspersky Lab and a Russian cybersecurity expert. On October 4, 1965, Kaspersky was born into a family of engineers, father, and historic archivists, mother. Kaspersky developed an early interest in mathematics and technology as a child. Kaspersky began attending the A.N. Kolmogorov boarding school, supervised by Moscow University, and specializing in arithmetic as a 14-year-old. At 16, Kaspersky enrolled in a 5-year program at the KGB Higher School's technical faculty, which trained intelligence operatives for the Russian military and the KGB. He earned a bachelor's degree in mathematical engineering and computer technology in 1987. Shortly after graduating from college, Kaspersky joined the Soviet military intelligence organization as a software engineer. When the Cascade virus infected Kaspersky's computer in 1989, Kaspersky became interested in IT security and needed to develop a tool to remove the virus. His cryptography training aided in the analysis of the encrypted virus, understanding the behavior, and finally building a removal program. In 1990, as a technology enthusiast, Kaspersky began assembling a team of like-minded researchers to produce the AVP Toolkit Pro antivirus application. The software was certified as the most effective antivirus software globally by the University of Hamburg after 4 years. Kaspersky and his colleagues started an antiviral company based on this successful track record. As the head of research, Kaspersky co-founded Kaspersky Lab in 1997 and helped discover instances of government-sponsored cyber warfare. Kaspersky became the CEO of Kaspersky Lab in 2007 after contributing to the company's growth through security research and business skills. Kaspersky often provides cybersecurity lectures at universities throughout the world and keynotes at major business conferences and events. Kaspersky is now one of the most successful IT security providers globally, with operations in over 200 countries and territories. Over 400 million people are also protected by the company's cybersecurity products worldwide. Now, onto the controversies. As U.S.-Russia relations have become more tense, Kaspersky Lab, as a Russian company, has come under fire. And as Kaspersky was trained in a KGB school, it's no wonder that there are many conspiracies claiming that he and Kaspersky Lab are sharing the data and assisting the KGB. Even though Eugene himself has offered their source code to the U.S. government, the conspiracies are still not dialing down. Kaspersky has been in the cybersecurity business for almost 30 years. Also known on LinkedIn as Eugene Kaspersky. Kaspersky is a trained and dedicated cybersecurity expert who can educate others on becoming experts as well. By following Kaspersky, people will access cybersecurity issues, tips, hacks, and preventative actions against various cyber threats. Eugene Kaspersky more than deserves his place on this list of the most influential people throughout history. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe channel for more cybersecurity videos.